Summer in Japan is a perfect time to go outdoors. Enjoy the breeze on the beach, hiking in the mountains, or participate in various traditional festivals in major cities like Kyoto. But once we step outside on a bright summer day, our cells immediately face invisible damage caused by oxidative stress from UV exposure. Young and healthy cells are trained to fight this oxidation process to suppress further damage to the skin. But from our studies, we saw a mysterious jump of oxidative activity after 7 hours, even with just a single exposure of damaging UV. What is causing this? What we found is that UV exposure creates the first wave of oxidation, increasing the amount of calcium ions into the cell. After 1 to 2 hours, this activates our main actor, Calpain. Calpain is a protease, an enzyme that specifically breaks down protein. And in this inflammation pathway, Calpain is known to cut pro-interleukin-1 alpha. This increases its maturity and amplifies the inflammatory response. Maturation of interleukin-1 alpha happens after 6 to 7 hours, causing the second wave of oxidation. After screening several botanicals, we discovered that a specific green tea cultivated in Uji, Kyoto can block this Calpain activation. Premium Uji-tea is shade-grown, where nets block huge amounts of sunlight from reaching the tea leaves. This shade cultivation changes the composition in the leaves, increasing the amount of amino acids, theanine, and 2 known super antioxidants, caffeine and EGCG. Based on our cellular studies, Uji-tea shows a strong Calpain inhibition effect and regulates the first wave of oxidative stress that activates this Calpain activity. Uji-tea was tested to prevent the inflammation during the first wave of oxidative damage. We treated different sites on the forearm of 6 volunteers with a 2% solution of mass-produced green tea or 1% of premium Uji-tea extract. These sites were irradiated with a low dose of UV. Inflammation was then checked by its color intensity after 6 hours. The result? Areas treated with 1% Uji-tea extract had visibly less redness than untreated or mass-grown green tea extract. Uji-tea was also tested to prevent the inflammation after the second wave of oxidative stress. We treated different sites on the forearm of 6 volunteers with 1% and 3% Uji-tea extract. These sites were irradiated with a low dose of UV and treated again. Inflammation was then checked by its color intensity after 24 hours. The result? Areas treated with Uji extract showed less redness versus untreated areas after 24 hours. With Uji-tea extract Bio-BG, we can enjoy summer without worrying about the damage of sun exposure.